your number one job is customer satisfaction. Understand that killing pests, you may kill all the bugs in the home. And if you're failing in any of this, the customer doesn't feel satisfied because they're not related to bugs, but it's related to how they feel about you and the service they receive. Remember, lifetime value of a client is what's valuable. When you can do something for a client that doesn't cost very much and it increases the value of the service, they're not going to go look around for another company. People are busy. It takes a lot for somebody to get tired and to call another company. Most people are reasonable. Lifetime value, what that customer represents to you over the years in new business, in new revenue, and new referrals, and new everything for you, for your business.